Welcome to Study Loop.
Hi, in this question given that isopropyl benzene of 3.29 gram is reacting with NaI of 1.2 equivalent and in excess ETOH bleach is excess, we need to find out theoretical yield. Now this is 1.2 equivalent, it means it will be 1.2 into 3.29 gram equal to 3.94 gram. Molecular weight of isopropyl benzene equal to 120 gram per mole, and molecular weight of NaI, that is sodium iodide, is 150 gram per mole. So number of moles of isopropyl benzene equal to 3.29 gram by 120 gram per mole. Gram will cancel out, equal to 0.027 mole, and number of moles of NaI equal to 3.94 gram by 150 gram per mole. Gram will cancel out, equal to 0.026 mole. So number of moles of NaI is less than number of moles of isopropyl benzene. So this will be limiting reactant. If this is limiting reactant, number of moles of product will be equal with 0.026 mole. Now isopropyl benzene means this. When it is reacting with NaI in presence of ETOH, it will form 1 iodo 4 isopropyl benzene, that is this. This is 1 iodo 4 isopropyl benzene. Molecular weight for this is 246 gram per mole. So mass of product will be equal with 0.026 mole into 246 gram per mole. Mole will cancel out, equal to 6.46 gram. This will be theoretical yield. So this is our final answer. Thank you.